Hello, wonderful people, good people. Again, I dey bring una for MARCNIKE'S kitchen. Please, ready to go to MARCNIKE'S corner. Like, share, and subscribe because I will be giving you updates. That una long struggle for finding we go grind una two spices. We go grind una egusi, we go grind una everything. To dust, dry dust. It don't end. For my comment section, I go put the link for there. I go share the link for there. When I go for Amazon, go buy them. I dey here for help una. I go share information for una free of charge. Okay. When I see this grinding machine, when I don't see am, when I look and find, I dey cover this. When I don't see am, when I go online for Amazon. When I do it, when I go online for Amazon, find am. All that two spices, when I want grind am. When I see am, Eden fruit. Now Eden fruit this. When I know how this spice is strong for grind now, the Eden fruit. All these things. When I see am, when I see na cloves. Now cloves this. All these spices then. When I see this one, now it's flax seeds. Now flax seed that. When I see the one, now sesame seed that. Now it's this. Now egusi. I need the stress since I come across the machine. I need the stress to cook because I be sure see my spices them go grind to dust. For example, what I want grind today. Now wait now flaxseed. When I know the use of flaxseed for my body now. Flaxseed now very good thing. Just warm your small water. Take your flaxseed we don't grind dust. Put that inside, shake and turn and let's say it's stir in the milk. My dear, you drink them. See if they will never cleanse your system or you get problem for go toilet. It is soften your belly. Make you go to toilet. No problem. Digestion. No problem. If you don't chop something you worry for digest or you drink flaxseed inside water we don't grind them. With this way with this machine. Yes. Put them. I want grind them. I want grind the flaxseed for sure example on how it be. Yes. Now in that I don't put them. Yep. I connect them. You go forget place in your kitchen for connect. Yes, when I watch me as I the one grind the flaxseed. Yeah, in that when you put them on, if you see the light don't come on. We should say they correct. So what you do now say you just go simple. All that. You see you go again. You stop them. You go again. Yeah. Shake them. They turn and so open them. Don't see them. Disconnect them. Now don't see them. Now my flaxseed that. You dey let dust. You don't turn dust. The same thing with goosey. The same thing with all these strong spices them. Why you can cook chop? All these strong spices them, the dry spices them. Una come Africa, una understand me better. Yes. You grind them 1 minute, you don't grind. No stress. Yes, nothing I'll come tell una. I will share the link for the flaxseed for my comment section. All man go there, go find and buy them. Your long struggle will find machine for grind egusi, spices, anything. It don't stop. Yes, go there, like, share, comment on my page, and buy your machine. You thank me later. I don't use the machine for 2 good years. Nothing about put them. It's still the top. You know, they're very cheap. You're shocked.